Guys, so we have the initial sanding done, densifier has been put on and taken off. Now it is time to slap some slurry on it. So I've got my two slurries here. This will be our veining color, and this is our base color. So this will go on everything else on the piece except for the vein. Alright guys, so here's the piece fresh after sanding all the slurry off of it. Our veins filled really nicely, so it's only a couple spots we'll have to touch up, and then this should be ready to seal. Alright guys, so we got the table in the sealing room now. It's going to spend the next 24 hours sitting in here drying out. And the next time you see it, it will have sealer on it.
Yeah.